for Veterans Day, we have our third grade, and we do this as tradition here at Fremont. For those of you the younger kids don't know this, every Veterans Day assembly, our third grade gives us a presentation for the veterans.
On Veterans Day, we honor all who answer to a service call. Soldiers young and soldiers old fought for freedom, brave and bold. Some have lived while others died, and all of them deserve our pride. We're proud of all the soldiers who kept thinking of red, white, and blue. They fought for us and all our rights. They fought through many days and nights. And though we may not know each name, we thank all veterans just the same.
Super proud of you guys, super proud of you. All of you who are working so hard to get Citizen of the Month. It means a lot to everybody. So that hard work shows, and we're very appreciative of your hard work. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna start with TK. TK class, Mrs. Mendoza's class, for the Citizen of the Month. For the month of October, we have Leah Castro. Come on up, Leah. we're going to go to kinder. We're going to start with Miss Fong's class in kindergarten. We have Leilani Vasquez. Nice job, Leilani. Good job. I'm going to stand right here. Then we have Miss Romero's class. And for Mrs. Romero's class, Assistant of the Month, for the month of October, we have Annabella Gomez. Congratulations, Annabella. There you go, ahead, stand right here. And for Mrs. Valadez's class, for the month of October, Assistant of the Month, we have Iker Ramos. All right, so Iker's not with us, not with us right now, but we'll make sure he gets his certificate when he comes back. Thank you. All right. So we're going to have first grade stand right over here when you come on up, and we're going to start. This is first grade, Citizen of the Month, for the month of October for Mrs. Farrell's class. We have Maribel Cruz. Excellent. There you go, Maribel. Excellent. Wonderful job. For next class, we have Mrs. Sanchez's class next. Mrs. Sanchez's class for the month of October, good citizen of the month, is Giovanni Garcia. Nice job, my man. Congratulations. For Miss Achutegi's first grade class, for the month of October, good citizen of the month, we have Mark Siza. There you go, Mr. Mark Siza. Congratulations, nice job. Right on. And for Mrs. Peck's first grade class, for good citizen of the month, for the month of October, we have Danny Rangel. And I believe Danny's absent today. Right? Yeah, I think Danny's absent today. All right, thank you very much. All right, so let's give it up one more time for kindergarten and TK. And let's give it up for first grade again. All right, next we're going to second grade, and we're going to start with Miss Barajas' class. Miss Barajas' class for good citizen of the month. For the month of October, we have Elisa Gutierrez. Elisa, congratulations, phenomenal job. Stand right over here, please. Nice. Excellent. Then we're going to go to Mrs. Olish's second grade class for good citizen of the month for the month of October. We have Lilia Morales. Congratulations, phenomenal job for getting good citizen of the month for the month of October. Nice. All right, for Ms. Vidros, student of the month in October is Alejandro Pietro. Let's give it up for Alejandro. All right. All right, so now we're going to do third grade right over here. Third grade, Miss Aceves' class for good citizen of the month. For the month of October, we have Enrique Lopez. There you go, my man. Congratulations. Let's give it up one more time. All right. For Miss Davila's class, good citizen of the month. For the month of October, we have Genesis Aceves. All right. Here you go, Genesis. Give it up for Genesis one more time. Nice job, sweetie. For Mrs. Gray's class, for the month of October, for the Good Citizen of the Month, we have Angel Alfaro. Nice job, my man. Aw, sweetie. All right, this is for this angel, okay? Thank you, sweetie. There you go. Give it up for both angels. All right, nice job to both angels. All right, he's paying attention. That's awesome. Okay, this is 4th grade. All right, so let's give it up for 2nd grade. One more time. And let's give it up for 3rd grade. Awesome. Okay, you guys can go back to your seats. Thank you. So we're going to go with 4th grade. 4th grade Citizen of the Month for the month of October. For Miss Gaitan's class, we have Elisa Verduzco. And I think she's at the rodeo. I think she's at the rodeo. For Miss Arroyo's Good Citizen of the Month, 4th grade, Miss Arroyo's class for the month of October, Miss Osale Balazar. Wonderful. Nice job. Come on through. Congratulations. Let's give it one more time. Excellent. Try to stand right here. All right. For Mr. Lara, Good Citizen of the Month, for the month of October, we have Ben Granados. All right, Ben. Congratulations, Ben. Job well done. Excellent. Well worth it. All right, and now we have Miss Stewart's class. Miss Stewart's class for the month of October, Good Citizen of the Month, we have Elias Raycraft. All right, Elias. Congratulations, my man. Good job. Let's give it up for 4th grade. Excellent. Okay, you guys can go back. Wonderful job, guys. Perfect. All right. So now we're going to move on to the Character Trait Awards. Character Trait Awards are super important. Good Citizen of the Month, kind of the whole thing about it in academics and working hard for your class. But character trait is building who you are as a person, right? And at Fremont, we're not just about, oh, can you read and can you do math? Very, very important, by the way. But we care about your character. Who are you as a person? Do you make good decisions? Are you nice to each other? Do you help each other? Those are super important things. So this is why we celebrate the good character trait every month. And for this month, the last month of October, the good character trait was sportsmanship. And sportsmanship is following the rules. It's being a good partner. It's being supportive, being a good team member, right? Sometimes you play a game and someone says, I don't want to play because I didn't win. Or they get mad because they didn't win and they run off. Or they take the ball and, oh, you're not doing what I say. That's not good sportsmanship. I see a lot of you out in the field being very good sports, helping each other, saying, okay, you can go, it's your turn, right? Following the rules. That's wonderful, and that's what we're going to celebrate in these young people that we're going to name right now. All right, we're going to start with TK. So this is Mrs. Mendoza's class. Mrs. Mendoza's class for the good sportsmanship, good character trait award for October is good sportsmanship. We have Erin Cardenas. Come on up, Erin. Excellent. Good job, Erin. Very proud of you. This is a very big deal. Wonderful. Yes, you take that. All right. For Miss Fong's class, we have for the good character trait of sportsmanship, and again, very important good sportsmanship, we have Damian Hernandez. Nice job. Wonderful. And it's so good to see it in young kids in TK and Kinder. That's wonderful. There you go, Daniel. Great job, my man. Go ahead and stand right over here. Stand right over here. Good job. All right. And for Miss Romero's class, for the Good Sportsmanship Award for character trait for the month of October, we have Eli Bueno. My man Eli. Very proud of you. That's a wonderful award to have. Excellent. And for Mrs. Valadez's class, for Good Sportsmanship for the month of October, for the Character Trait Award, we have Matthew Rodarte. Good job, Matthew. Very proud of you. So let's give it up again for kindergarten and TK. Wonderful. We're gonna put first grade right here. So first grade, we're gonna start off with Miss Farrell's class. So this is for Miss Farrell's class for the Good Sportsmanship Award. For the month of October, we have Gabriela Flores. Good job. Wonderful. Congratulations, well deserved. All right, for Mrs. Sanchez's class, for the Good Sportsmanship Award, for the Character Trait of October, we have Jackson Zoliner. Congratulations, wonderful.
Matthew.
For Miss Achuteca's class, for the Big Miss A's class, it's Jacqueline Marquez. Excellent job. Wonderful. All right. And for Mrs. Peck's class, for the character trait of sportsmanship for the month of October, we have Joe Gutierrez. Joe Gutierrez. There you go, my man. You want to stand right over there? All right, so again, this is a big deal being a good sport, so let's give it up for Eric, Kinder, TK, and first grade. All right, okay, you guys can go ahead and go back to your seats. Good job. Jackson, nice job. All right, so we're gonna start with second grade now. We're gonna start with Miss Barajas. Ms. Barajas Awards, Character Trait Award for the month of October is sportsmanship. It goes to Julius Uribe. Nice job, Julius. Very proud of you. Good man. Excellent. All right, now we're gonna go to Mrs. Olish. Mrs. Olish's class. And for Miss Olish's class for the month of October, Character Trait Award for good sportsmanship goes to Damian Sanchez. Right. Good job, Damian. You know how to do it. Excellent, congratulations. All right. That's third grade, this is third grade. And for good sportsmanship, for Ms. Vidro's class for the month of October, it is Kane Zambrano. Okay, all right. Can you give it up? We'll have your certificate for you. Okay. All right. Now we're going to move to third grade. We'll put third grade right here. So Mrs. Acevez's class. For Miss Acevez's class, for the character trait of sportsmanship for the month of October, we have Isai Verduzco. And he is at the rodeo. For Miss Davila's class, for the Character Trait Award for sportsmanship, we have, for the month of October, we have Chastity Siza. All right, Chastity. Come on up, Chastity, good job. Congratulations. You want to stand right over here? Nice job. Stand right there. Perfect. All right. For Miss Gray's class, For Miss Gray's class, we have the Character Trait Award for sportsmanship. For Miss Gray's class for the month of October goes to Desmond Hodge. So there, he's also out today. All right. So, that's third grade and second grade. So let's give it up again for second grade and third grade. All right, for fourth grade, Miss Gaitan's class for fourth grade, Character Trait Award for sportsmanship goes to Angel Chavez. All right, Angel. For Miss Arroyo's class, for the Character Trait of sportsmanship for the month of October goes to Mark Gibson. Mark. Congratulations, nice job. Very proud of you, good sportsman. Nice. For Mr. Lara's class, for the Character Trait Award for sportsmanship for the month of October, we have Ivana Beltran. Ivana, wonderful job. Congratulations. Thank you. And for Miss Stewart's class, for the Character Trait Award for the month of October of sportsmanship, we have Juan Rivera. All right, Juan. Good job, my man. Congratulations. Stand right there. The camera. Picture taken. So we just gave awards out for Student of the Month, or Good Citizen of the Month, and Character Trait. Very, very important awards. I'm very proud of all of you who won. Now we're going to go on to our AR awards. Can I have Miss Achutegi, Miss Sanchez, come on up. So the award for the ribbon winner for Miss Achutegi's class in first grade, already reading, very nice, in AR, excellent, very proud, it's a big deal. Alfredo Aceves. Nice job, congratulations. All right, congratulations, Alfredo. And Miss Sanchez's class for the ribbon in AR. Again, reading first grade with a ribbon is a big deal. We have Darlene Beltran. Excellent, Darlene. Looking very 70s, very cool. All right, excellent. So let's go to second grade. Can I have Miss Barajas and Miss Vidro come on up? So for Miss Barajas' class, we're gonna read the ribbons off first. Ribbon winners in Miss Barajas' class. Come on up when I say your name, and everybody clap for all the kids. Caden Atik, Saul Gaitan, Ethan Torres, and Aiden Zollner. Woo! Just a shout out to ACES. A lot of these kids are ACES kids because they do a lot of AR reading in ACES. So nice job there. Okay, so we're gonna, then I'm gonna read, first, right? Ms. Barajas' medals next. So these are for the medals. Nelly Bustos Quintero and Michael Gibson. Nice job with medals, guys. Super proud of you. Parents, you gotta take them out. For a medal, you gotta get it taken out from ice cream or something. That's what I'm saying. All right. And Miss Vidro's class. She has 2 ribbon winners in Miss Vidro's class. come on up and give it up for Alicia Flores and Kane Zambrano. All right, Alicia and Kane, you know how to do it. All right, it's gonna have Miss Gray come on up. Miss Gray has 2 ribbon winners in her class. We have Desmond Hodge and Marcelo Estrada. All right, Desmond's out, but Marcelo is here. Give it up for Marcelo. Good job, Marcelo. Miss Arroyo, you can come on up, and Miss Stewart. So in 4th grade, we have some ribbon winners, a number of ribbon winners, and a number of medal winners. Nice job. Next month, I hope to have what? Trophy winners, right? Raise your hand if you're gonna win a trophy this year. Nice. I hope we have to spend $1 bazillion on trophies. All right, so for Miss Arroyo's class, I'm gonna read off the ribbon winners first. Ribbon winners in Miss Arroyo's class, we have Valerie Gutierrez Huerta, Abigail Valdez Trimble, Elisa Verduzco, and Jaime Miranda. Woo! Excellent. And Miss Arroyo has 2 medal winners. Medal winners are a big deal. Give it up for Aiden Cruz and Alonda Lazarga. Nice job, guys. Wonderful job. And for Miss Stewart's class, ribbon winner in AR, we have Ian Cardenas. Good job, my man Ian. Living the dream, dude. Awesome job. It's right here. Congratulations, my man. And for medal winners in Miss Stewart's class, we have a double winner today because Ian won a ribbon and he also won a medal. Give it up for Ian. Also, give it up for Elias Raycraft and Nicholas Huerta. Nice job with the medals. All right, let's give it up one more time for everybody who worked so hard doing their AR. And again, shout out for all the AR tutors and all the folks who work in AR because, I mean in AR, in AR too. All the teachers are working so hard in the classroom, all the parents who are working so hard at home getting your kids off the TV and onto books. I know how hard that is, so congratulations and thank you to all of you guys. So let's give it up one more time for all these guys. All right, so before we go back, I just want to remind you, tomorrow is not just a day off, but it's a day of remembrance for the veterans, for the soldiers who made sacrifices for all of us to be here. We would not be here in a free country without those soldiers, and tomorrow's a day to remember them. So please, as you enjoy your day off, also take a moment to thank a veteran, to write a veteran, make some contact, because again, we have a lot to owe them. So that was our first assembly back in person here at Fremont Primary for this year. So let's give it up one more time for that. All right, so if you're